Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And we have started our own tailoring system. So if you want customized blouses, gown, kurti or anything, please WhatsApp us. Please for contact, please WhatsApp. The same contact number already displayed on screen. Now let me display today's exclusive collection. So let's start. This one, very beautiful and elegant, bright look. Same material to draped pure muslin with Dhakai work and silver zari weaving Dhakai Jamdani work. Very exclusive, elegant looks, based for your function wear, party wear, without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one, full base part, muslin Dhakai muslin base with beautiful silver zari weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, muslin Dhakai, very trendy and elegant look. Same today I have draped different color. And this one, full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length and fully work, full base. And this one, pallu portions fully Dhakai Jamdani work by silver zari and very smart and bright looks. This one is full piece and very elegant color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, same material, same work, muslin base with Dhakai Jamdani work, very exclusive, trendy and elegant looks. And light color shade with beautiful fine silver zari weaving Dhakai work, and base is muslin base and silver zari weaving design Dhakai work, very smart and elegant looks. And this one, full base part, silver zari Dhakai work, and this one is pallu portions fully Dhakai Jamdani work, very elegant looks. And this one, full base part, very trendy, fresh looks. This one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy and smart looks. You can contact through WhatsApp for customized blouses, false pico, each and everything. And this one, very beautiful and elegant looks of white base, red contrast border, muslin base with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. Full base part is Dhakai work, Dhakai Jamdani all without running blouse piece. And this one, contrast color border with golden zari fine weaving Dhakai work, full base, based for your function wear, puja wear, and beautiful, gorgeous, elegant looks. And this one is full base part of white base, red contrast border, and full base part is muslin base with Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color pallu with Dhakai Jamdani work, golden zari weaving Dhakai work. And this one is full base part, same material to very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive and elegant, bright looks. See, very beautiful, trendy looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with 1 inch silver zari border and full border portions, beautiful fine weaving buta design, silver zari weaving buta work. And this one, very nice look, silver zari border and full border portions, beautiful fine silver zari weaving buta design, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very nice looks, fully silver zari weaving buta work. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one, full base part, very trendy and fresh, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for customized tailoring, blouse, gown. You can contact through WhatsApp. And this and false pico also, any type of customization, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with silver zari border and full base part is fine silver zari stripes with temple pattern weaving design border, silver zari weaving border design. And this one, full base part, and this one is silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with silver zari stripes design. And this one, pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base, fully temple pattern weaving design, silver zari weaving design border and silver zari border, and this one full base part, fine silver zari stripes. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, bright looks, yellow shade, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk with golden zari polka weaving design, golden zari border. And this one full base part, very bright fresh looks, golden zari border, and this one beautiful fine weaving polka design, very smart trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully fine weaving design work, polka work pallu, and this one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is full base part, handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. For customized tailoring, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful one, very smart and elegant looks, bright also, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with contrast ikat border. Base is black, and this one contrast color border, pink shade ikat border, and fully Dhakai pattern weaving design border work, and base part is natural fabric, lane by lane ikat contrast border with Dhakai weaving border design, very trendy and elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving buta design pallu, and this one full base part, very smart bright elegant looks, black with pink contrast looks, and natural fabric lane by lane. This one full base part, very trendy looks, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, cotton cotton silk material, silver zari border and silver zari weaving checks design, very smart and trendy looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one full base part, silver zari fine checks design, silver zari border, and full base part is fine checks design and handloom cotton silk material. And this one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very soft one, cotton silk material. And I suggest this silk material, silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece for your exclusive looks. And for your swing your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Also very beautiful one, bright looks, art silk with beautiful digital printed one and contrast color border, very smart bright looks, art silk. And this one full base, this one is pallu portions, contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, beautiful printed one, contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful printed, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one full base part, same printed one, very smart looks, bright one, contrast border. And I will suggest this silk material silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive trendy and bright looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, muslin Dhakai, base part is muslin black base and full base part is heavy Dhakai work, fully zari weaving Dhakai work, and this one is border portions, Dhakai weaving border and fully zari weaving copper shade zari, and this one full pallu portions highlighted Dhakai Jamdani work, very trendy and bright looks, based for your function wear, party wear, very nice looks. Beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Daily we are uploading new collections to our website, so keep browsing our website. Thank you so much. Stay safe.